Okay, so there were some problems that the students were facing while submitting their project. They were not able to understand how to submit their project. So to address that, I have created this YouTube tutorial on how to submit the project for the front-end web development bootcamp that we conducted a few days ago. So let us see on how to do that. The deadline for submitting the project is actually 29th. So please keep in mind 29th midnight. You will not be able to submit the project after midnight itself. So please keep that in mind while moving further. Okay, so let's continue with the same as well. So first of all, there will be a REPL that you have created. Okay, so this is the REPL that I had created. As you are able to see, there are a lot of different, so it's still loading. Let's just wait for a second. Okay, so we are having your index.html, we are having our images that we had created, we are having our style.css as well, and then we are having our logo, as you are able to see. So now what we have to do is we first have to download all these files that we want to upload. So we'll just go to, so as you are able to see, where files are written right over here, there is then an add file button, then there's an add folder button. After that, there are three dots on the right hand side of it, and click on that. Upon clicking on that, there will be like a download as zip, as you are able to see. So upload file, upload folder, and download as zip. So just click on download as zip itself. We'll click on allow. It will download a zip file, so we have to first unzip it. In Mac it already unzips itself, I don't have to worry about it. On Windows you first have to unzip it, and you'll be able to see all the different things present right inside of it. So we are having your index.html, we are having your style.css, and our pictures, as you are able to see. Now what we are going to do next, so this is in a particular in downloads we are having a project new. See that we'll be having a particular, okay, or it would be in downloads itself, but what I'll just search for it. So it will be project new. So this is present in downloads, I guess. We are having a project new, and inside of it we are having all our files that we want to upload. So now to submit the project, what we have to do is we have to open our GitHub profile. We just create a GitHub profile by yourself. Then you want to create a new repository. You can click on this particular plus button to create a new repository. As you are able to see on the right hand side of the entire screen, there's a plus button, and I'm able to see the new repository. I can click on this particular green button on the left hand side as well, and that will also create a new repository. I can name the repository anything, or else you can follow the brochure that has been given on the WhatsApp groups as well as the Telegram channel. Right now I'm going to name it as SHAURYA Shaurya SINHA dot github.io. So that is what we are going to name it right now. Description, it's optional, so I will just leave it for right now. It should be public. Please remember that public should be selected right over here. Let's add a readme file as well. So check on this particular button as well, add a readme file, and we'll click on create repository. So GitHub will initialize and create your repository within no time. Next, what we want to do is we want to add the files that we have downloaded as zip folder. Okay, so first of all, unzip the folder. Okay, do not upload the zip folder itself, unzip it. Next, what we want to do is we want to add the files. So we'll upload files. So click on add files, then upload files. Inside upload files, you want to choose your files, and that will be in the project itself. So we want to go to project new, and inside of that we want to upload all the files from the images to the HTML, CSS, everything. You can choose any image, you can choose any color as well, but try to make the same website as I have done. Okay, there's no need to like go all the way around to do something else extraordinary. That will be highly appreciated, but stick to what I've given to you. You can use any pictures, you can use any colors as well, or else if you don't want to use, you can use the same colors that I have shown in the video itself. You want to click on choose for upload. Once that has been done, it will be uploading everything inside of it. Okay, so now all the things have been uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, just click on commit changes. Okay, this green button on the bottom, commit changes. So it will be processing your files and everything. So all the changes have now been committed. Second thing that we want to do is we want to change the readme.md. Okay, to do that we want to click on this particular button. So as you are able to see on the readme.md on the right hand side of it, you're able to see an pencil. So that is just a symbol for edit. You want to click on that so that you are able to edit it. Once it has opened up, what you want to do is you want to open the brochure that has been provided to you. This is a brochure that has been provided to you on all your WhatsApp groups as well as the Telegram channel, as you are able to see. I will link a copy of this down in the description of the video as well. You can check it from there. Once you have opened it up, you want to go to the last page of this particular brochure, and there you will be able to see some text that is available right over here. You will have to copy the entire text, Control C, that is, you have copied the entire text right over here. You will want to go back to the github.io, so the readme file that you had opened up, to select everything in it and then paste it right over here. Once you have done that, you just have to scroll down and then click on commit changes. So this will bring up the entire thing, as you are able to see in the readme.md. You want to go back to shauryasinha.github.io, as you are able to see from right over here. You want to go back from there. This is the link, so just copy the URL from right over here. Okay, you want to copy the URL. You want to go to the final submission form, fill up the form. So you will have to fill up your email address, your phone number, your WhatsApp number, your name, and then the link that you have copied right over here, you want to paste it. Okay, so as you are able to see, I pasted the link that I copied. So the link should be of the repository itself. As you are able to see, this is the repository, this is the readme.md, and I have to just copy the repository link from right over here, and I have to paste it right over here. So if you are able to see, this is the GitHub link itself. Now, if you are planning to join the data analyst training or internship program, or the full stack web development training or internship program by Shape AI, you can select yes, and a representative from Shape AI will reach out to you. Otherwise, if you have already joined, you can select already joined. If you are not interested, you can select not interested as well. It is not related to the project. It is so that if you guys need any help, we can reach out to you guys. And currently there are only 20 seats remaining in each of the batches approximately. If you guys want to join, it is a great opportunity because it is a training and internship as well. There are no prerequisites required. You can join at any point of your, like, especially if you are in your first, second, third year itself in college, and everything will be taught from scratch by people from Google, American Express, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs. So you don't have to worry about it. Even I Shaurya Sinha, who was taking your lessons, I am also one of the instructors as well as the mentors right over there. So it's a great opportunity. You get the skills required as well as the experience required to get into one of the best companies in the entire world, and our graduates have already proven that. So after that, you just have to click on submit. Once you have submitted the entire thing, so it is asking for some type of verification, so I will just do that. So mountains or hills, so this is a mountain, this is a mountain. Let's see, this is a mountain. Think so, that should be it, and your final project has been submitted. You can even edit your response as well. Okay, if you don't have the link, so for example, I don't have the link right now, so let me just go back. Okay, so for example, like the link that has been given for the final project submission. Okay, so if you want to just like edit your responses as well, you can go back to the link itself, so that link, and you can just click on edit response, so fill in a new response as well. You will be able to see that you can edit your response. So the link that we have provided to you on the groups, if you have already filled the form and you want to change it, just click on that particular link once again, and you will be able to edit your response from right over here. So that is also something that we have given you the opportunity to. Okay, so I hope that I will be seeing you guys in our future bootcamps as well. We are having one more bootcamp on JavaScript and Node.js, and that is for the backend web development, and we are having one more bootcamp on Python and deep learning. So if you guys are interested, do register for that from our website shapeai.tech. So shapeai.tech in events, as you are able to see, there are two upcoming events: backend web development with Node.js and Python and deep learning. So you can register for them as well, and it's great to see you guys once again. We'll meet very soon, I hope, and have a good day ahead. A good night. Basically, I'm recording it at 2 p.m. in the night itself, so that's the problem. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and hope to see you once again.